Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are going over bed frames. If you guys are in the market for a new bed frame, this is an awesome option. It's from Zinus. If you guys don't know about Zinus, they are an awesome company. They make mattresses as well. You know, you can get one of those bed in the box things delivered right to your door. So that's a great option too if you need the mattress as well. But this is just the bed frame. It's their Joseph 10-inch metal platform bed. This is kind of like your basic, metal platform, but it does have those like just elevated design elements. It really looks very clean, modern, crisp. It's gonna be really sturdy, offer you lots of support. This is easy to put together. No special tools, nothing like that. It's just something that really comes together well under an hour. You could do it yourself. It's super easy. This has the Slat platform base. If you guys haven't slept in a bed with platform base, I will never go back to a box spring. I love the Slat base. I love the look of the low profile, and I think I just sleep better and really get more from my mattress that way. This is compatible with all types of mattresses, so whatever you have, it's gonna work for you. And you won't need a box spring, so you can save a little money that way. This has some cool elements to it too. It comes with foam padded tape to just really reduce the noise, make sure nothing squeaks, nothing is gonna keep you up at night or bother you. And it also has some like grippy tape that's gonna keep those slats in place. The first platform bed that I ever got, like in college, the slats did not have that, and they were fine for like the first year or so, and then they started sliding all around. So it's really good that they have this tape. It's just going to make sure that everything stays in place, there's no noise, and you just sleep really, really well. This is a great platform bed. It's not one that you're going to be able to put a headboard or a footboard with very easily. It's not designed for that. But the flip side of that is that it looks really great on its own. And if you're just looking for a basic metal, really inexpensive platform bed, this is one of the best ones you can get, in my opinion, just because it looks great on its own. You don't even need anything else. It looks amazing. So go ahead and put this one in your cart. You'll be really glad you did.